Hello, good afternoon. To discuss two key takeaways of soils, properties, and functions. One of them I recall very well, which is one that my group worked a lot on, was the soil's ability with mutualism to produce a mutualistic relationship with plants. By planting multiple different plants, you increase the diversity the soil has to get many different nutrients, and in turn, you get many different types of plants to grow faster. The farmer in the video stated that within a year of his work, it would take 19 years for any other farmer who's not doing the method. And another mutualistic one is of the carbon cycle. I believe it's what it was called, where um, the soil kind of intakes some of the carbon in the air and help the plants produce oxygen, and this helps cool down the planet, right? So in turn of the soil getting carbon, it helps regulate temperature around the planet and produce more oxygen, which helps create the ozone layer. The three biggest takeaways I got from this video is how much damage different things do, and to kind of talk about the soil creating with the carbon cycle, tilling has caused a lot of damage. As well, it's released a lot of carbon into our air, which is very dangerous for us. And how important it is for us to kind of regulate what we're doing, and for it being such a massive scale, I think we should make things 50-50, right? If we're gonna till that much, plow that much, in turn we should do just as much replanting land that's untouched, and such. And what I've also learned is, and it felt kind of insulting, is kind of how easy it can be to fix some of these problems. I mean, if three countries can devise a plan to fix it for the world, just imagine what all the countries together can do, even if they're all doing little bits and pieces. Um, and then for my third and final important takeaway from the video is how unhealthy our planet's become from many things. I mean, the legacy load, and other things such as that we just keep throwing into the system, from the Industrial Revolution to now modern day, where we still have a lot of non-renewable sources of energy, such as coal plants and such, um, is causing too much damage. The U.S., China, and India being the top three biggest producers of CO2. It just kind of feels overdone with how little it would take to even improve things. That not much is being done. Are my biggest is my overall takeaway, and with those minor examples. Thank you so much, and have a great night.